how to download Canva Pro for free in PC. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Canva Pro for free in PC. Well, there are a few steps you need to do, and step number 1 is you want to download the Canva app. For that you want to go to Google and type in Canva download. And you want to click on the first one, and then click on download Canva for Windows, or if you have a MacBook, download it for Mac. And as you can see here, it's downloading. Once it's finished, you want to click on it and follow the steps. And if you follow the steps correctly, you have downloaded the app, and it should look like this. So that's step number 1. Then you want to get the Pro for free. Well, there are 3 methods you can get Canva Pro for free, and I'm going to discuss all 3 with you. The first one is the free trial stacking. Canva offers a 30 days free trial for every account. So you want to click on Try Canva Pro. And as you can see here, you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So you want to click on Start My Free Trial. And you can select yearly or monthly. You don't have to worry, you don't have to pay anything. You can just click on monthly. Click on Next. Here you want to put in the information, credit card or PayPal. And if you follow all these steps, then you can see you have got Canva Pro. So now I'm in the Canva app and I have the Pro version. One thing that is very important is that you want to cancel your subscription. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to go to your account, click on account settings, then go here to billing and plans. And as you can see here, you have the Canva Pro trial version. You want to click on the 3 dots. And you want to click on cancel trial. Click on continue cancellation. Click on others. Continue cancellation. Cancel subscription. And there you have it. The Canva Pro subscription will be cancelled on the 25th of October in my case, meaning you'll have Canva Pro for free for the 30 days. And after you get the free version again, but then you want to restart the cycle, meaning you want to create a different email account, and from there you can do this again. You can start a free trial, cancel it, and after those 30 days do it again, create a new email, make an account. And that is the first method. So the second method is to use the education method. If you're a teacher of a student, you might get Canva Pro, and I'm going to show you where you can find this. You want to go to plans and pricing and click on compare pricing. Then you want to go to for teachers and schools. And here you can click on teachers, get verified, and it's very important that you have an email with .edu at the end. If you're a student, you can ask your teacher to invite you. You can click on learn more and it will guide you through the process. This is the education method. Well, there is one more method that you can do. You want to go to canva.com and click on sign up. Then you want to click on continue another way. And then I want to scroll down and click on continue with email. So we click on that. Now we want to open a new tab and we enter temp mail. We want to click on the first one. Temp mail will give you a temporary mail. You can just copy this, enter it, Canva, click on continue. They will send you a code you need to enter. So you want to go back to your mail. And here you can see Canva has sent you the code. You want to copy the code. Enter the code here, and if it's correct, you should be able to see this. I recommend you to click on a group with a lot of members in it. This one's got 485. So you click on join, and you might get Canva Pro. As you can see here, I still got the free, so we're going to fix that. What you want to do is you want to go to Bingo, Canva. Click on the first one. You want to scroll all the way down to see a countdown. You have to wait for a minute. You want to click on download. Click on get here. and you'll be sent back to Canva and you'll be in a team, and this way you can use Canva Pro as well. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.